Okay friends, good morning. Friends, at the starting I given 10 seconds. That time take screenshot, then try to solve. If not, once watch this video till completion. That too friends, remember these two questions are from coding and decoding. Friends, coding and decoding new models maybe we are going to feel tough, but once if you are having practice mean these models are too easy. Friends, here they again this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. Friends, here the again one is what? In a coded language, tradition, festival, iconic is coded as 8x, 9j, 6xj. Friends, check here. Once see here. Here the again one is what? See here. Tradition. Next one is what? Here festival. Next one is what? Iconic. Is to be coded as 8x, 9j, 6xj. Friends, remember. Friends, if they given a number and letters me, just to try to identify logic for any one. But for this question, by seeing this data only, we are able to identify logic for number. What the logic for number means? Friends, suppose friends check here. Tradition. Tradition having how many letters means 3. Next 6. Total we are having 9. That means here we are having 9. Suppose take festival. Festival having total here 6. Total 8. Festival having total 8. That means here we are having number 8. Iconic having how many letters? Total we are having 6 letters. That means here we are having 6. That means here logic for letter is what? Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. See here. Now tradition. Check here. Tradition having total here 9 letters. That means here number 9. Festival having total how many letters means here 8. That means number 8. Iconic having how many letters means here 6. Suppose one check whether this logic is applicable for next second line or not. Go for second line. See here. Second line is what? Aesthetic. Next, recreate. Next one, vibe. Friends, suppose friends check here, aesthetic. Total how many letters here we are having means here 5, total is what? Here 8. Aesthetic and total. See here 3. Next 6, total is 9. See here 3, 6, total we are having 9 letters. That means number 9. Next, recreate. Recreate having total here 8 letters. Vibe having total 4 letters. Check once. Number 9, 8, 4 is there or not? 9 is there. 8 is there, then 4 also there. Yes. That means now take default code. In first line, tradition, number 9. With 9, here given letter J. Festival, here total we are having 8. That means with 8, we are having letter is X. Here we are having 6XJ. Suppose second line. Here 9. With 9, we are having VJ. With 8 here, we are having E. Next 4 here, we are having W. Yes. Friends, here logic for number is completed. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Yes. See here, logic for letter number is number of letters in the given word. Yes, leave it. Next friend check here. Now we are going to check logic for letter. Logic for letter is suppose friend check here. Here we are having J. Here we are having X. Here we are having XJ. Friend check here. Friends, tradition is starting with consonant. Starting with consonant means one letter. Festival starting with consonant, one letter. But iconic is starting with vowel. Starting with vowel means again we are having 2 letters. Yes, that means if it is starting with consonant, only one letter. If it is starting with vowel means we are having 2 letters. Suppose check for next one. Aesthetic starting with vowel, we are having 2 letters. Recreate starting with consonant, only 1 letter. Vibe starting with consonant, only 1 letter. That means if it is starting with consonant, only 1 letter. If it is starting with vowel means we are having total 2 letters. Yes, now logic for letter. Suppose if it is starting with consonant, here J. Friends, check here. In tradition, from right hand second letter is what? O. Right hand second letter is what? O. Now, friends, check here. In alphabetical form, O opposite is what? L. O opposite is what? L. Next, -1, -2 is what? J. That means, if it is starting with consonant, logic is second letter from right hand, second letter from right hand, then -2. See here. From right hand second letter is what? O. O opposite is what? Friends, check here. O opposite is what? L. L -2 is what? Here J. Yes. Next, suppose take here. From right hand second letter is what? A. Starting with consonant, right hand second letter is what? A. A opposite is what? C here. A opposite is what? Z. -2. -1, -2 is what? Here X. Next. Here, then leave. This one is starting with vowel. This one is starting with vowel, leave. This one is starting with consonant. Starting with consonant means letter logic is what? From right hand second letter. Recreate. From right hand second letter is what? T. Now, see here. T opposite is what? G. -2 is what? Here E. Yes. Vibe. Starting with consonant. Right hand second letter is what? B. B opposite is what? Here Y. Then -2 is what? Here W. Yes. Remember, if it is starting with consonant, what the logic for letter means? from second letter from right hand. So in the given word, second letter from right hand, then minus 2. Yes, leave it. Next, suppose friends check here. If it is a vowel, first letter logic is what? From left hand second letter is what? C. Now C opposite is what? X. C opposite is what? X. Now logic for second letter is what? From right hand second letter is what? I. Plus 1 is what? J. See here. Starting with vowel means logic for first letter is from left hand second letter opposite. Next second letter logic is from right hand second letter plus 1. Suppose check here this one. Starting with here vowel. First letter logic is what? From left hand second letter opposite. E opposite is what? V. See here. E opposite is what? Here V. Logic for second letter is what? From right hand second letter plus 1. I plus 1 is what? Here J. Yes. So friends, here logics come to the end. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Next, logic for letter is, if it's starting with consonant means second letter from right hand minus 2. If it is starting with vowel means for first letter logic is from left hand second letter opposite, from right hand second letter plus 1. Yes. Friends, I will explain one question. Remaining all questions are your practice. Friends, check here. Here they mention one is what? During. Next, autumn. Yes, friends, check here. During, this one is starting with consonant. Suppose first take logic for number. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Total how many letters here we are having? 6. Here we are having total. Here also we are having 6. Starting with consonant, letter logic is what? From right hand second letter. See here, from second letter from right hand. From right hand second letter is what? N. N opposite is what? M. Minus 2 is what? Here K. That means here 6K. Starting with vowel. Here we are starting with vowel means we are having 2 letters. First letter logic is what? Left hand second letter opposite. U opposite. U opposite is what? Here F. Logic for second letter is what? Right hand second letter plus 1. Second letter is what? M. M plus 1 is what? Here N. Yes. That means 6K. Next 6FN. See here. 6K 6FN. That means for first question answer is what? Option C. Yes. So friends, remaining 4 questions are your practice and just give your answer as comment. After that I will check. If it is wrong means I will give again a reply to your comments. Yes. So friends, for 4 questions just give your comments. I will check each and every person comments. If anyone did mistake me, then I will give a reply. So friends, here logic for number is number of letters in the given word. Next, logic for letter is if it is starting with vowel means second letter from right hand, then opposite minus 2. If it is starting with vowel means we are having 2 letters. First letter logic is from left hand second letter opposite. Next second letter logic is from right hand second letter plus 1. Yes. So remaining 2, 3, 4 and 5 is your practice. Just give your answer as comment. Yes. Next go for next 2019 SBI PO mains question. Yes. Friends, here they given this question in 2019 SBI PO mains. Friends, from coding and decoding compulsory they will give one question in your mains. That too they will give only new models. Now friends, check here. The given one is what? Words make sentence meaningful. Friends, check here. Here the next one is what? Words. Next the given one is what? Make sentences meaningful. Yes, friends, check here. Here given codes are $8 A. Next 2 exclamatory R, 8 plus A, 8 exclamatory E. Yes, friends, check here. Now friends, one check here logics and one check here logic. Friends, try to infer logic for anyone, maybe letter or maybe number or maybe symbol. But if you are applying one logic for first sentence mean that same logic will be applicable for second sentence also. Suppose friends, check here. Friends, check here letters, given letters A, R, A, E. Suppose. Friends, take words and suppose take here words. In words, from right hand third letter is what? 1, 2, 3. Third letter is what? R. So here R is there. Suppose check here make. Right hand third letter is what? Here A. Here also A is there. Yes. Next, here third letter is what? Here C. Suppose friends, check here. Third letter is. Friends, sorry, small mistake. See here $8 A. Next 2 exclamatory R. Next this one is what? 6 hash C. This one is what? $14 F. Sorry, a small mistake. Now friends, check here. From sentences, from right hand third letter is what? Here. Right hand third letter is what? Here C. C also there. Here right hand third letter is what? F. F also there. Yes, that means friends, see here. Here logic for letter is what? From right hand third letter. See here. Remember, logic for letter is from right hand third letter. If you are having any doubt means now suppose check for second line also. Friends, check here. Here the given second line is what? See here. Rain stops next every week. Friends, check here. Here what are the given quotes? One check here. To wedge E, wedge R, take simply cap. Next, 2 hash O, 8 plus A, 8 epsilon exclamatory E, exclamatory that one. Now friends, check here. Right and tall letter is what? A. A is there, yes. That means rain code is what? 8 plus A. Suppose stops. Right and tall letter is what? O. That means here stops code is what? 2 hash O. Every tall letter is what? Here E. That means here E means again here we are having 2 code. There is a chance to get 2 edge E. Otherwise 8 exclamatory E. Yes. Now friends, check here. Now we are going to take default code for rain. Default code for rain is what? Friends, check here. 8 plus A. Now suppose friends, check here. Logic for letter is completed. Logic for letter is what? From right and tall letter in each and every word. Now friends, check here. Logic for number. Friends, rain having total how many letters? Here 4, but here they took 8. Stops having total how many letters means here we are having total 5, but here they took only 2. That means remember, if the word contains even number of letters, then we are going to add plus 4. See here. Remember, logic for number is if the word contains even number of letters. Rain contains total how many letters? 4 letters. Now 4 plus 4 total is what? Here 8. Here suppose if word contains odd number of letters, then number of letters in the given word, then minus 3. Why means? Friends, suppose stops having total how many letters? Total 5 letters. Then 5 minus 3 is for 2. One check whether this logic is applicable for this one or not. See here. Now friends, check here. Here words. Tall letter is what? Here R. That means this code is for 2 exclamatory R. See here. Words consonant total how many letters? Total 5 letters. That means here odd number of letters. Odd number of letters means if it is odd number of letters means then number logic is what? Number of letters in the given word, then minus 3. Then 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Suppose take here make. So friends, check here. Tall letter is what? Here A. That means here this code is what? Here A. Next make and total how many letters means total 4 letters. Even number of letters means then plus number of letters in the given word, then plus 4. Total is what? Here 8. Then $8 A. Suppose friends, check here. Sentences. Sentences having total how many letters means total. See here. 3, 6, total we are having 9 letters. That means here odd. Odd means number of letters in the given word, then minus 3. Then 9 minus 3 is what? Here 6. Now tall letter from written is what? Here C. Next this one is what? Here hash. Next suppose friends, take here meaningful. Meaningful having total how many letters means total here we are having total 10 letters. See here 3, 6, 9, 10 letters. So if it is even number of letters means then plus 4. Number of letters in the given word, then plus 4. 10 plus 4 is what? Here 14. Next number letter logic is what? From right hand tall letter is what? Here F. That means here this one is what? $. Yes. Friends, logic for letter is completed. Logic for number also completed. See here. Logic for letter is what? See here. Logic for letter is tall letter from right hand in the given word. Tall letter from right hand in the given word. Next, logic for number is what? If the word contains even number of letters, then number of letters in the given word, then plus 4. If the word contains odd number of letters, then number of letters in the given word, then minus 3. Yes. Now, logic for symbol. Now, friends, check here. Logic for symbol, how we will check means, now take your codes. Now, rain code is what? This one. Next, stops code is this one. Now, every code, tall letter is what? Here, E. Now, every contains total number of letters? 5. Odd means, then, number of letters in the given word, minus 3. 5 minus 3 is what? Here, 2. So, friends, check here. That means here, then, every code is what? 2 wedge E. Next week, tall letter is what? Here E. Total how many letters here we are having? 4. Even number of letters mean then number of letters in the given word, then plus 4. That means total is what? 8 exclamatory E. Yes. Now, friend, logic for symbol. Now I will conclude. See here. Here this one is starting with R. Suppose consider starting with R means symbol is plus. Consider starting with R means symbol is plus. Suppose this one is starting with S. Starting with S means symbol is what? Here hash. Now starting with here E. Starting with E means symbol is what? Here wedge. Next starting with here W. Starting with W means here symbol is what? Exclamatory. Suppose. Now check here. Now here I will confirm. Starting with here words W. Starting with W means here symbol is what? Exclamatory. Yes. Next starting with M. Starting with M means here symbol is what? Here $. Yes. Next starting with sentence. Yes. Starting with S means symbol is what? Hash. Next, starting with here M. Starting with M means here symbol is what? Dollar. That means here logic for symbol is first letter of the given word. First letter of the given word. Yes, friends, okay. Logic for symbol is first letter of the given word. If it is starting with R means plus, starting with hash means here hash. Next E means wedge. Next W means here exclamatory. M means here dollar, like that. Yes. Now, friends, check here. First question, check here. What will come in the blank B? What will come in the blank B? Friends, check here. Here blank B, what will come? Now, friends, check here. Here the letter from right hand is what? Here E. With E here, it's not there. That means this is only code. Now we are going to find the code for rarely. Now, friends, check here. Code for rarely means the letter from right hand is what? Here E. Word contains total how many letters means total here we are having 6 letters. Even number of letters means then number of letters in the given word then plus 4. That means total is what? 10. Now, starting with R. Starting with R means here symbol is what? Plus. That means your answer is what? 10 plus E. Friends, check here. 10 plus E. So, answer is what? Option C. Friends, for second question, try to solve. Just give your answer as your comment. Yes, friends, check here. For this one, once again I am giving logic. Logic for letter is third letter from right hand. Logic for number is, if the word contains even number of letters, then number of letters in the given word plus 4. If the word contains odd number of letters, then number of letters in the given word minus 3. Next symbol logic is first letter of the given word. That means first letter is R means plus, next S means hash, E means wedge, W means exclamatory, M means dollar, like that. Yes. So friends, like this, they given these two questions in 2018 SBI PO mains and 2019 SBI PO mains. Friends, I given one small work for question number. For first 2018 SBI PO mains question, I explained only first question. 2, 3, 4, 5 I given for your practice. Just to try to solve, then give your answer as comment. Next, for second one also I given second question is your practice. Just to try to solve, then give your answer as comment. Okay friends, thanks for today.